Oil's good.
Oil's good? Joe, you're gonna... Woo!
I'm knifing through this all. So, we're at 30 miles an hour. Oh,
oh my goodness.
We're gonna need some serious leveling.
Yeah, go ahead. Oh, it's perfect size, dude.
Like this?
Yeah. Ready? 1, 2. Oh, wake up a dead man. Dude, that's about to go.
Oh man.
Wait,
I should run back.
way.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Okay, ready?
Okay, keep going. Is it on manual or autofocus?
Manual. Just quit.
I'm probably blurry.
Stop it and turn it off. Right. Here, take some and do the same thing. Just make a little teepee.
Oh, like this?
Yeah, we'll just like shove that whole thing in there. Okay, good.
Alright guys, what's up? Right now, me and Mark finally got fire set up. We got our sleeping situation set up. I ended up going hammock route. Mark's gonna sleep in the bed of the truck. And we got a tarp set up for us to be able to stand under. So we got pretty much all of it situated. I'll actually show you guys my sleeping setup. So I got this tarp. This right here is the underquilt. So the underquilt's actually a down and it keeps it very warm underneath from wind. Then you have the hammock, and then inside we have a -40 down sleeping bag. So it's a really nice setup, super small, compact, and convenient. All right, guys. So one of the foods that we're going to be making today is barbecue or shashliki with some bell peppers. Mark, what bell pepper should I use?
I'm kind of feeling yellow.
Okay.
Under the tailgate, hillbilly style.
Straight up hillbilly style.
Okay, so we're just gonna head up for the night. See you guys in the morning. All right, Joe, how'd you sleep?
Slept pretty good. I think like for like the first half, I slept with my head outside of my sleeping bag, so I woke up with like a sore throat. And then I like went back to sleep and I put my head like in my sleeping bag, and then now I'm fine.
Yeah, I slept pretty good, guys. It's really quiet here,
Yeah.
which is why we came out here, just to kind of get away from everything and everyone and just listen to nothing. And that went pretty good. So today we're gonna start up the fire again, make some really good breakfast, maybe chill for a little bit, and then we're gonna go to that other cabin we usually camp at. Check the snow conditions, maybe higher up too, see how it is. We don't know, we're just kind of going with the flow. Let's make some breakfast.
So we slept, we slept like 11 hours, no 12 hours.
Yep.
Oh, that's nice.
Well, catching up after 3 months of no sleep, for goodness sakes.
Oh, literally same here. We like don't get the right amount of sleep, and we don't get good sleep. Then also people and things. No, it's nice.
It's a good fire, so. So Joe made breakfast a little early.
It's nice and crispy. You like it?
What do you have under there?
My sleeping
Your
bag.
down sleeping bag. Duck feather sleeping bag, guys.
What am I?
That's what happens when you're hungry.
I was watching it smoke and I'm like, okay, the water's evaporating. Something good's happening.
Dry it out, and obviously that worked.
Oh man, I was way too close to that fire.
It goes back.
Gotta keep drying.
Just gonna go 2 pieces for now. And no, my hands are not this dirty. That is tree sap, and it does not wash off. It's just a temporary placeholder for the bacon. And as you guys see all this grease, we're gonna fry up bread and eggs on this grease. It's gonna make the blueberry bread super delicious. Look at that. Homegrown. There we go. Boom, that's one breakfast sandwich.
I'm gonna take a bite of this without tea for now.
Oh. Is that right? This is good? Could use a little bit more love, but a little more love? No. Ooh, that's hot. Dang. Oh. Oh. All right. Good? Mm-hmm.
Just don't show this to my parents, they're gonna be upset at me.
Why?
They think octopus is weird. It's just so weird. It's like, who eats seafood in the woods, Mark?
I'm just telling you, some guy's gonna be freaked out when he sees this, when he finds it.
So, I'm about to hit that rotten tree. I recently got this bow. I want to get better with it. So I gotta practice, you know?
Yeah.
And it's all about patience. So sometimes you get too excited.
Okay, let's go see.
Okay, it goes so far in, Mark, that it's so hard to get out.
Oh my goodness.
I could just broke off these pieces. And to get that out, I need a knife. Because, see right here?
Yeah.
I broke the whole tip off. Look,
Dude.
trying to pull it out.
You did not.
Yeah, and I actually cracked it too.
Dude.
Sadly. It's about 26 yards. Okay, so literally.
So that's the goal, is that stump?
Okay.
Oh my. You did it.
80 yards, boy! I mean 80 feet!
Alright, so first campsite is done. We're going to the next one. Gonna just keep exploring. Maybe go find some cool roads right now.
That's soft. Oh my. Oh, there you go. That was soft.
I'll show you guys this. It's really cool. Well, after like 1 minute after I ended that video, we are stuck because the snow is slushy. We knew we would probably get stuck because it's the worst possible snow to drive in. There's absolutely no traction. It just digs a hole and it's done. Should be able to get out quick, and then we'll end up driving back down the road and hike up to the cabin from the lower part of the mountain, because there's no way we're driving down that road. It's just way too much snow. All right, we've got the car turned around. Look at these tracks. You could see like it was some kind of a dog or coyote. If any of you guys know tracks in the videos, leave a comment down below what you think this is, because it's about the size of, I have a pretty big hand, so that's probably
No, that's probably like a fox.
2, 3 inches, like 2 inches, yeah, like 1.5, 2 inch track. Probably a fox or some kind of coyote, yeah.
Yeah, because look how big that
And
one
it
is.
just goes along the side of the road. Okay, we found this really amazing view. We're gonna check it out. Should be a nice view of Mount St. Helens. How is it?
That's insane.
Oh my. That's crazy. Oh, guys, there's elk down there. There's a whole herd in the clear cut. There they go, guys. You see the elk? A whole herd of them.
There's 3, yeah. I could literally grab them.
Whoa. You wanna grab your bow?
Let's go get some elk. I don't have them. I don't have a
All right, we're leaving the truck. Another mile hike through the woods, then snow, and then up a mountain.
Hey guys, we are now deep into the woods. We have a little bit more to go. But it's not that scary.
Creep, let's go.
We just have a little bit more to go. Let's keep going. Oh, Brent.
Quite the wilderness.
Right here.
Mountain lion territory, eh?
Yeah. I'll be like mountain lions. Oh, say hello to my little friend.
Wow, guys, look at that blue sky. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Amazing.
Man, want me to hit it?
No.
Look at
My
that.
new friend, I'm gonna sleep with him.
Look at that Kritsuli.
Look at that. This is insane.
See, God is still.
Let me
Can you
see.
believe that?
Let me see.
Dude, this is on the iPhone, long exposure.
Wait, let me go down. Oh my.
Straight up halo next
That
to
was
the moon.
handheld?
Handheld. It has a whole system where it tracks your movement.
Okay, let me try to show it on this thing. You guys see the halo? Now let me shine this up there. Oh, that helps. Whoa, that's crazy though. Last little bit. And this is our wood pile to be able to start the fire in this insanely wet, damp forest. I don't think I would do this again for $1,000. This is ridiculous. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and try to start it. So just like before in that crazy winter rain windstorm, we're building a huge fire and we're using it to dry out bigger logs that we have right there, because there's no way we can burn them unless we dry them on the open flames up there. So it's very delicate process, and it requires a lot of patience. If we can get fire started in these conditions, here, you want to help with this? We're going to take it past the that way. Wait, this way? Yep. We're going to burn right here. That's the tip. Let's keep going. Slow down. Alright, we're just doing this redneck style because this whole camping trip is just...
Everything's red next time.
Everything is just do it because there's no other way. Kobe beef, boys and girls. Is it good?
I think I just cut myself.
Nice. Joe, honestly, how do you feel right now?
Stuffed and ready to go to bed.
Yeah? How was today? How was this trip overall? Was it pretty relaxing?
We should have stayed at the other camp, Mark. We literally packed up everything and hiked up here.
Twice.
3 times.
Well, 3?
Came up, went back down, and came back up. Just
Oh yeah, 3 times. 3 times.
3 times. See, Mark even forgot.
Guys, this is literally... I don't even know what to say. This is the reality of it. Okay, so we have a fire going. It's really nice. It took us about 4 hours total to get it going and everything, gather the wood. But in reality, tomorrow...
This is the reality.
That's Joe's little world right there, but... The reality is that tomorrow we don't have firewood to get the fire going again.
Yeah, we're done. We used up all the firewood.
We literally...
I mean, look at this.
Like half a mile in the woods, we used it all up. Every dead standing tree there was.
Everything else is wet.
And I'm like, here. I'm like all scarred up and everything too.
Yeah.
Very relaxing camping trip so far, as you can see. Joe's just chilling in the fetal position for the past 3 days. Oh my gosh. Oh man. Trying to find some clean snow that hasn't been touched. Putting it in here. And then we have like a coffee strainer that I'm going to use as well to strain out any little pieces of like fallen tree stuff. And we're going to melt this down for drinking water, kind of like I did on the Mount St. Helens climbing trip, because we just don't have enough water up here that we took. So that's the setup. I actually brought my pillow all the way up here. It's pretty crazy, but I'm sleeping on an air pad just like Joe, with a underquilt wrapped over it and inside the sleeping bag.
Dude, my hair's probably insane right now.
Yeah, dude, it looks like a grizzly bear. There's our setup because somebody broke apart the table. Gives us more room, but no table. See you guys in the morning. Probably gonna be a cold, miserable morning, but we'll try to sleep as long as we can.
Okay, let's see this.
Joe hasn't seen what happened outside overnight yet.
Mark, we're screwed going down. Dude,
Crazy?
This is crazy. That is so beautiful. Oh my.
We've never been here like this.
We've never, yeah, with this much snow.
Crazy?
That's so crazy. And I don't think anybody else has either, because that road just gets packed with snow.
Insane. Oh, Joe, it's still smoldering. Bro, we can still start it up. So I just looked for like a clean patch like this that's untouched. Just make sure it's clean. We're drinking the heavens. We're gonna make coffee out of that water. Ooh, yeah.
Yeah, boy. What we do is we take this, pull this lid off. Watch this. This right here strains all the coffee chunks, because now you strained it. And what happens?
There's beauty down there.
Nice. Guys, first cup of trimethylxanthine for the morning.
What do you think? There's some kind of chemistry equation in there?
Nah, just straight caffeine, boy.
Is it good?
It's good. I added too much of the creamer.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
You put 1 creamer in your pitch black coffee, boy.
Yeah, it's like a...
Okay, but like compared to an espresso, this is like a 2 out of 10.
Oh yeah, this is trash.
But it's actually good out here because you have nothing to compare to.
Exactly.
There's some elk tracks. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're pretty sneaky. They go up along the tree. Look at that. See, they go kind of where there's less snow. So it looks like it's actually raining down in the valley below, because you can't see snow in the treetops there, which is pretty crazy. Joe, what are you making? Explain.
This is called pirozhwashi in my language. But pretty much Romanian. Well, I'm Moldavian because I come from Moldova, but we speak the language Romanian mixed with a bit of Russian.
And what is this that they make there?
Pilimeni. It's like a dough on the outside. No, you made me say pilimeni because you were saying I'm making pilimeni. These are called pirozhwashi.
Pirozhwashi.
Yeah, there you go, you got them. So what you do is you take a little bit of dough and it's actually supposed to be round, and you're supposed to use oil to like make them round, but you see we're rationing out our oil, so but with this you take a little bit of feta cheese and you stick it in the middle, and then you roll it up and over.
Good old Perushwaris.
What? They're Perushwashi.
Oh, Perushwashi, I got it wrong already.
That's what I was wondering, I was like, where's Perushwashi?
They're treating out good. Joe, give one of these a shot. Tastes like pizza, doesn't it? It's good. It's really simple, but the feta cheese makes it taste like pizza, bro.
It's hot.
So good though.
Soft powder.
Such beauty here, it's insane. Look at the snow falling down here. Look at this. Alright, well, what do you say? Pretty good trip?
Oh, amazing.
It was a little more wild than we expected, but
That's what makes it fun.
Yeah. We plan to make it down this mountain right now. It is currently 2:40, and we're gonna make it down, probably be out of the car by like 4 p.m. because it's quite a hike down. There's snow on the trail. It's gonna be hard, and we have to pack everything, including both our pillows. So, anyways, we're gonna make it down. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and I am so glad you guys came along during this short but sweet spring break. So now it's back to school, back to work, but summertime we'll definitely be making more trips, and
we're gonna do an island trip.
We're gonna do an island camping trip too, in canoes and kayaks and stuff like that. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. All right, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.